Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use for loops in the shell. A loop is an expression that will allow you to use a command iteratively between files. For example, here I have described the variable using 4 different values, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I describe the body of the loop between do and done. This will create a file called myFile underscore and then the value of the variable .csv. This will be an empty file. And then I will echo the sentence. This file is named myFile underscore $sign variable.csv into my file with the same name. Let's see how it works. Hit enter and we see that now we have created these 4 files in our directory. Each of them will have the text that we have previously described. We can also use strings in loops. For example, here I'm going to print my name is and then a list of names into the shell. Another useful command is history. This command will show you all the previous commands that you have used. If we want to repeat any of these commands, for example, 967, we can use the command exclamation mark and then the number of the command that we want to use, 967. To edit text files, we can use different editors. For example, in Nano, we can directly edit the file by typing in the file. We can exit using Ctrl X and save. We can see the contents of the file have been modified. Another text editor that you can use is Vim. You can type I to enter into the insert mode and start typing. To exit the insert mode, type escape. If you want to exit the document and save it, type semicolon WQ exclamation mark. You can learn more about Vim using the Vim tutor or using Vim Adventures. Another way you can interact with text files is through MobaX, for example, using the text editor in your computer. I can go to Labs, Lab 1, and then open any of these files by clicking on them. I can also right-click and open them with a different editor. For example, I can use Notepad or my favorite, Sublime Text.